Hi everyone, this is Sheeta Sappan Matre and today I am going to unbox this Power of Surrender cards. I bought this deck from Warden Book House and it's an awesome deck. I've already opened it to check what all cards are there because I just couldn't stop myself. So I will be taking you through these cards and also will be doing a mini pick a card from this particular deck. In case if you want to directly go to the mini pick a card, you can check the timestamp in the description column below. Alright, so it comes in a box like this. It is from Hay House and it's a beautiful box, and over here the description is there. The card illustrations and the details are over here. Now let me open this box. It's an amazing concept, that what is it that we need to surrender, because surrendering anything is not easy. All right, so let me remove the card. It comes with cards. Okay, there are 52 cards in this and a very small booklet. So that's a little bit of a, for people who are practicing this particular, oracles and all, for them it's not that difficult, but the ones who are new may find it difficult because there's no booklet which has the description about, this deck. So let me show you the cards one by one. Let me take you through the flip through. Surrender to setting limits. Look how beautiful this card is, the colors and all. And at times when I was going through this card, I was quite surprised by how there are certain things which we don't even understand that we need to let go of. Wow, look at that red. It looks so beautiful, isn't it? The back design is also so beautiful. Wow, this card is so beautiful. Look at the pink. I really like the way it is exploring different aspects of a human life and things which we need to surrender for peace and to go ahead. It's absolutely beautiful. I like the illustration of each card, sorry. See, such an important message over here. Lovely. This is one of those decks, which you can use for your own journey. And every day you can just remove a card to understand what you need to let go. I feel even the ones who are new, I think this at times small, description about a card is more than enough. So I feel that yeah, it's quite self-explanatory all this. Whoops. See how beautifully, my God. Wow, lovely. Since they are new, they tend to stick to each other. So important. Wow, this is so beautiful. Surrender stress. Lovely. I just loved the cards. They're so beautiful. Alright, there's also an app which you can download from the App Store and from Google Play and try a free 7-day trial as well. Alright, so it's a very, I like mobile apps because they are, like they're ready for reference. Whenever you want a quick answer, just go to the app. Okay, so now let's see. I'll remove 3 cards for you guys. Let's see what you need to surrender. I'm always careful while shuffling cards because I don't like my decks bend or dented in any way, so I do it gently. Alright, so let's remove what you guys need to surrender. So let's see. Pile number 1, a message from this card, basically this deck. 2, and 3. Alright, to make it more easy, I will put some crystals, not crystals, candles. Alright, let me put the white candle over here, orange over here, and green. So this is 1, 2, 3, the colors of the Indian flag. So in case if you are confused as to which message you should pick, you can just take a chit, put 1, 2, 3 in it, and pick out, just ask in the universe, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what do I need to surrender? And then just pick up one card, pick up one chit, and whatever number comes, that's your message. All right, so let's see what is the message for card 1. Okay, surrender your desire to control people. All right, so my group 1 is a bit controlling. At times, we knowingly or unknowingly try and control people, and that does not have a good effect on our mental peace. And let me tell you one thing, when you try and control someone, someone else, or a situation for that matter, especially if you're trying to control people, okay, and the other person whom you're trying to control does not have the power to fight back your control. It could be a child, a spouse, or a subordinate, or a team member. the universe will send someone or will create a situation in your life in which you will be controlled by somebody else. I'm not trying to scare you. I have seen this often in consultation, wherein a parent is very controlling of the child and ends up having a boss who is extremely controlling. All right, so it's very important that we are more mindful of other people's free will as well. Okay, so it's very important that you need to stop controlling people and gives everyone space. Everybody has their own free will, their own karma, their own path, and at times it's better to let them live their path. Like you tell them whatever is required, whatever you feel, and then just let them be. That's also very important. I'm also getting a message over here that I'm hearing that there is somebody who is poisoning your mind against a closed person. Okay, and this particular person is trying to create issues between you and the other person. All right, so whoever this person is looks like a closed one to you. So stop listening to what other people are trying to tell you and make your own decision. Listen to your own inner voice. And I'm not asking you to write off whatever other people are talking to you about your relationship, but what I would request you to do is listen to your inner voice, inner wisdom, and also get some information. All right, on whoever this person is. But there looks like there is a friend or somebody who's acting like a near and dear one to you, but is actually poisoning your mind, poisoning your relationship. So be careful. I'm also hearing that some of you are trying to do something that you don't want to do it, but you're doing it to please someone. Okay, so that's also a way of controlling. Okay, when you want other people to look at you in a particular way, or see, for example, if you're a simple person and you want other people to think that you are the most glamorous person on earth, and you are trying to maybe do something to your hair, or trying to talk like what you are not really, to make other people like you or follow you, that's not going to help you in the long run. So I'm getting a message over here that be yourself. All right, don't try to control what other people want to think about you, the kind of opinion they want to have about you. You be yourself. Let other people believe whatever they want to believe, but stop trying to control people. Okay, and give other people space. Second, do not listen to hearsay. Okay, now let's see what group 2 needs to surrender. Surrender your fear of change. We are always used to living a life wherein we know what is going to happen tomorrow, day after. So very, very used to living that kind of life. And the moment there is some sort of change, we feel very uncomfortable, we feel insecure. And this insecurity makes us to resist any kind of change. And change is nothing but opportunities to grow. So it's extremely important that we resist the fear to change, because many a times once the transformation has happened, you move from one position in life to another position. And if you want that hike in terms of position in your life, then change is compulsory. Okay, so here the card is saying the universe is reminding you that you are cared for always. Whether you're afraid of a change in your job, your health, or a relationship, or if you fear aging or death, repeat the affirmation, I have faith that all is well. So don't be afraid of whatever this change is. The universe is supporting you. The universe will carry you through this change. Okay, so don't feel that how am I going to do it, how will I survive. All right, I'm also hearing that I'm hearing, there is, you guys are not able to find your path. Okay, I feel that you kind of feel lost, or you're trying to find your way out in something, is what I am feeling. Okay. I'm also feeling that you're stuck in something which is no longer serving you. I'm especially hearing, there are some of you who are working in a job which which you're not really enjoying, but you are there because, because either you're afraid to get out of your department, your comfort zone, or on the top you're applying in other places, but you're not really you out of insecurity, you don't want to move out into another organization. All right, that's one fear which I'm hearing. I'm also hearing that some of you are waiting for something, and once you get that thing, then you will make this change. All right, that's also what I'm hearing. So, whatever it is, don't be afraid. The universe is supporting you, the universe is with you. So, right now, even if you are feeling lost, you will find the way. Have faith. Let's see message for 3. Surrender to your full power. All right. So, you guys, you need to think big for yourself. You're dreaming too small, or you're telling yourself stories, hey, this cannot have, this is not possible, so let me not dream about it, or let me not work towards it. Or somebody has told you that you cannot do this, you can only do this. So stop having this limited belief about yourself. You're more powerful than you think. You are empowered by the goddess and archangels, and you need to believe in yourself. Okay, see, there was a horn in the background. It was like a wake-up call. So you need to stop setting small standards for yourself. You're settling for things. So hike your standards, expect more from yourself and from life, and also be fearless and courageous in a wise way. I also feel that you believe a lot in goddess Durga, Archangel Ariel, and I also feel that uh, you're not looking at your goal. Okay, you seem to be distracted. All right, you look distracted to me, so you need to focus on your goal. I'm also hearing, it may sound strange, but I feel that there's a possibility that some of you are planning to get a tattoo on your leg, on your ankle, or some of you are planning to wear an anklet. I don't know, but I'm getting this message that there is some of you are planning for a tattoo, and something to do with freedom, faith, belief, power. I got from this. Okay, but something to do with a tattoo is more what I'm getting, and especially on the leg, on the feet, leg, ankle is what I'm getting. You need to move ahead. You cannot be stuck. Okay, you are completely capable of moving ahead, but to move ahead you need to realize your own potential, your own abilities. So take stock of that, guys, in case if you want to move ahead. All right, so this was your reading group 3. I hope you enjoyed this mini pick a card. Do write in the comment section how did you find the cards, because I loved it, and I'm planning to use it in my this week's pick a card reading. I'm also planning to use it in my weekly pick a card reading, as to we can find out what every week you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. So let me know in the comment section, guys, how did you feel about this idea of me adding this in every week's pick a card reading, the weekly one. So enjoy this beautiful deck. All right, the power of surrender cards. I absolutely love these cards. Like I ordered cards only if I am drawn to it, so I end up loving all of them. So take care, guys. Do hit the like button if you enjoy the content of this channel. Do subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for all the love. A virtual hug to all of you, and lots of love to you guys. Bye bye.